Okay, some words to RTE Acoustic and Testing company. We are a spin-out from the Fraunhofer Institute. We started 1986. From the beginning, we addressed the hardware and software development to be able to processing big data, especially big data, what you have with acoustic testing in the acoustic field. This is where we had our focus on from the beginning. We are a small engineering office with 15 experts, but we have a lot of expertise which we built up over the years. Our business is a project business, means customers comes to us with a problem, a testing problem, and we will develop for them the right solution. We do our business worldwide, so our machines and solutions you will find everywhere in the world. In which field are we have our expertise and are where we are active? For sure, it's the automotive industry, because the automotive industry is the biggest industry. If you look for serial production, where you have safety relevant parts which needs to be tested, 100% tested before they will be added to a car. The new field is electromobility in any kind of. We do a lot of testing technologies for the medical sector and the aerospace industry. Excellent products are casting or powder metal components, because they have a very nice sound, which we can test. I'll tell you later. For sure, we also address the field of hybrids and composite materials. Here is still some testing needed, some new testing application needed, which has to be developed. And for sure, ceramics, plastics, and so on, everywhere you need our acoustic testing. So what are we doing? It's very simple. We listen. We listen to sound, we listen to noise, and then we can compare if something has a good sound, a bad sound, and is good or not good. So means sound is also means quality. Acoustic testing is comparing anomalies in sound, and sound above all is a noise, a sound, a tone, a bang, and this is what we hear, what we as a human being can hear, and what we as a human being can evaluate if the sound is good or not, if we like the sound or if it's disturbing us. We divide the structure-bound noise, which are oscillations or vibrations in a body, and if this vibrations are emitted by the body, then we talk about the airborne sound. I have a little example for you. You can hear very clearly the difference, and this is a subjective testing. We can hear something is bad or not bad. So, but in serial, for the serial production, you need a subjective testing, and this is what we offer. All our solutions are based on our own testing system, what we are developing. So this is a software solution. It is a powerful system which is not recording noises, analyzing noises. It is also able to evaluate the noises, because in the end you want to evaluate if something is good or not good. Acoustic testing technology is mainly divided in 3 different fields which we are offering. We have the sound test, what you could hear in the little video. Here you stimulate a body in its vibration, and you can record the difference of the vibrations. It is calling a sound test. You do it if you check glass or porcelain or something. You do it, and the human being just know how to do it. Another field is where a component or a product make a noise in its function. Typical products are here, the electrical drives, the gears, air conditioning systems in cars, electrical adjusters in the cars. All they make a noise or a vibration in its function, and this you can measure and evaluate if it's good or not. And the same is for the process monitoring. Processes also emitted vibrations and noises, and you can monitor these noises and can decide if the process is still good or not, or if you're close to a maintenance sequence. So what we need sensors. There are different kinds of sensors we can work with. It is not only acoustic testing what we offer and do, we do any kind of measurement where you use sensors. It could be electricity, it could be speed, it could be temperature. So any kind of measurements what you need, we can combine with the acoustic signals and evaluate the products and the processes. One of our top projects, to give you just an idea where you find these kind of testing technologies, are the electronic braking system from Continental. It is a 100% safety relevant module. It is very difficult to set up here a testing system. We use more than 100 testing characteristics to decide if the product is manufactured right or not. We are controlling 4 testing stations parallel, and we are not doing only the NVH testing, what means acoustic testing, we also do all the electrical testing. These manufacturing systems or production lines you find in Germany, China, and Mexico. They're all equipped with our testing technology. A little outlook for testing technology, and also this will address the processes for lightweight material and composite materials. In the end, you want to measure all physical data, you want to make correlations between each other, and it is offered for a continuous improvement of your processes. You have to use these data, what you are collecting and what you are evaluating, to reflect them back into the production to see how you can improve your production and how you can avoid any mistakes or failures. A future step here is very important. We all have heard it already. We want to have self-controlled machines. We want to use the machine learning so that not a human being is necessary anymore to go through the evaluation of the data and give it back to the machine for some adjustment, that the machine should be able to do it themselves. Our motivation for this business dialogue is that we are looking for cooperation partners. We see there is a lot of business possibilities out there which can be maybe developed together. We see there is a lot of new testing requirements for lightweight components, what we can offer, what we can maybe develop together. We have a big program for the next 12 to 15 months for developing artificial methods. Maybe we can find some partners here. And for sure, any kind of new hardware or software processing is interesting, so for our future developments. So, yeah, I'm at the end. Future is created by us all. Let's take a step forward, and I'm looking forward to interesting discussions during the next days. Thank you very much.